Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up Zoho Mail with cPanel hosting. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that actually supports this feature. And once you're on your Zoho, what you will have to do is, of course, sign into your account if you haven't already. And after you sign in, you will basically just look for the gear icon, which is on the top right. So it should be right here, and what you will have to do is click that, and then you will select domains, and then you will click add domains, and then after that you will just have to enter your domain name and click add. Then what you will have to do next is verify your domain. So Zoho will show a TXT record for the verification, and after that you will open your hosting cPanel and you will look for zone editor under domains, and you will find your domain and click manage, and then you will basically just have to click add record and add a txt record from Zoho. And after all that, you will just have to, after filling out everything, you will just have to click save record, and then you will go back to Zoho and click verify. Then in Zoho, you will go to the mail delivery and then MX records, and then you will delete any existing MX records in cPanel related to your hosting email. And then after all that, you will just have to add Zoho's MX records exactly as shown, and then you will save each record. And yeah, that's basically just it. And after all that, you will wait for the DNS propagation and test your email. So yeah, that's it. By the way, you can test your email by going to the Zoho Mail inbox and sending a test email to yourself, or asking someone to email you to confirm receiving works. And yeah, that's it. That's how you set up Zoho with cPanel hosting, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.